The different reactions of the Department of Justice, DOJ, to the handling of presidential records by former President Trump and current President Biden. In May 2021, an official from the National Archives and Records Administration, NARA, contacted President Trump's team after realizing that several important documents were not handed over before he left the White House. NARA reached out to Trump's attorneys in an effort to locate the missing items. However, despite several months of conversations, NARA grew frustrated with the slow pace of document turnover and did not receive all the records they were searching for. In contrast, there is no indication that the Department of Justice, DOJ, has taken any similar actions in response to President Biden's handling of presidential records. As the situation with Trump's records escalated, in February 2022, NARA asked the DOJ to investigate whether Trump had violated the Presidential Records Act and other laws related to classified information. The DOJ subsequently launched a criminal probe into Trump's mishandling of classified documents. In April 2022, the FBI asked NARA for access to the 15 boxes of records retrieved from Mar-a-Lago in January. The request was formally transmitted to NARA by President Joe Biden's White House counsel's office, as the incumbent president controls presidential documents in NARA custody. The DOJ also sent a letter to Trump's lawyers in April 2022, notifying them that over 100 classified documents, totaling more than 700 pages, were found in the boxes and that the FBI and U.S. intelligence agencies needed immediate access to the materials due to important national security interests. Trump's lawyers asked NARA to delay giving the FBI access to the materials, claiming they needed time to examine them to see if anything was privileged, and that they were making a protective assertion of executive privilege over all the documents. This led to a legal dispute between Trump's lawyers and the DOJ. In summary, the DOJ has had a very active and aggressive approach in investigating Trump's handling of presidential records, while no such actions have been taken regarding President Biden's handling of records. It's important to note that it is not uncommon for previous administrations to have disputes over records and privilege assertions, but it is the role of NARA and the DOJ to ensure that all the records are preserved and transferred in accordance to the laws. Closing shot of the National Archives and Records Administration, NARA, building. In conclusion, the DOJ has had a different reaction to the handling of presidential records by former President Trump and current President Biden. The DOJ has taken a number of steps to investigate Trump's handling of records, while no such actions have been taken regarding President Biden's handling of records. It is the responsibility of the DOJ and NARA to ensure that all records are preserved.